Ducati has landed the first blow of the 2025 model season with the introduction of the much-revamped Panigale V4 and V4S, with a claimed 216 horsepower and 91 pound-foot of torque coming from the 1,103 cubic centimeters V4 engine, completely new front bodywork, and the drum beat, hollow double-sided cast aluminum swing arm replacing the signature single-sided unit. The swing arm is by far the biggest talking point about the new Panigale, which has always had a single-sided unit, whether in VEL twin or V4 format. Ducati claims the new swing arm reduces lateral stiffness by 37%, helping to give the rider more feel when exiting corners with power. The Panigale's frame is largely unchanged from the front frame chassis that debuted in 2018 with the original Panigale V4. The Ducati Panigale V4S gets a shiny Öhlins NPX 30 electronic fork, TTX 36 shock, and steering damper, while the Panigale V4 retains the 43mm Showa big piston fork and Sachs shock, both fully adjustable. Stopping power now comes from the all-new Brembo high-pure calipers. These are clamped onto 330mm discs and a 30G lighter on both sides than the Brembo Stylomer calipers that came as standard before. The design will be hotly debated, with Ducati bringing out the best of its catalog to deliver a headlight that more than resembles the Desmosedicide D16R. The front end is 25mm taller than before, the mirrors are mounted inside the upper fairing, and it uses winglets very similar to those of the Ducati MotoGP bikes. The Ducati Panigale V4S 2025 has the usual electronics like IMU, traction control, wheelie control, slide control, launch control, and up and down quickshifter, among other technologies. It also includes the new Advanced Race ECBS combined braking system. The system is designed to encourage you to use the rear brake more, coming from Bosch and offering 7 levels of intervention. Up to 15.5% rear brake pressure can be applied, with the system adjusting its response based on the intensity of the front brake application. All of this can be adjusted via the all-new 6.5-inch TFT, which is a big step forward from before. Ducati will also offer an Akrapovic Race E-Track exhaust system that is claimed to reduce weight by 14.5 pounds and increase power to 225 horsepower. Look out for the unit in US dealer showrooms this November. Thanks for watching.